So in this video we're going to come back to the home screen and we're going to take a look at what I'm doing then with the quiz scores. So in the previous video, the results video, we looked at how I'm writing quiz scores back to SharePoint. But then I thought, it would be nice to do something with those quiz scores. Now if you're doing an app for real, you'd probably do a nice Power BI report or something like that. But for the sake of this, I'm just doing some very simple dashboard, just to put a bit more content into the home screen and to make some use of my quiz scores SharePoint list. So first of all, on the on start, I refresh quiz scores, and then I create my quiz stats collection, and I bring back all my quiz scores for the logged in user. Then I create a collection called favorite quiz, and then I'm pulling back where I basically go through each of the quiz types, and then I pull back the number of records that I have for each quiz type in quiz stats. And quiz stats then is a collection then that holds all the logged in users' quiz scores at this stage. So I create a collection with type and total for each of the quiz types. And then I sort my favorite quiz based on the total descending. So that should look a little bit like this. So 38 for capital, 37 for flag, 10 for population, 8 for atlas, and 5 for area. Okay, so that's what favorite quiz works out as. Okay, and that's all that's on the on start, working that information out. Okay, and then down in this little dashboard then, I bring back the full name with this, and this obviously has nothing to do with quiz scores or quiz stats. I bring back the full name from the user control. I bring back the email from the user control, and I bring back the picture if there was one, or the image if there was one for the logged in user. And obviously that would change depending on who the logged in user is. Then for the dashboard itself, I bring back my favorite quiz, and I use then the favorite quiz collection that I set up on the on-visible. If the quiz stats are 0, so in other words, if the logged in user has never completed a quiz, then I would put in NA, not applicable, else I'll pull back the first. And that's why capital is coming back and pulling back the first type from my favorite quiz collection. And the first type from my favorite quiz collection is capital, so that's why capital is displaying there. Quiz is taken then. It's very simple, just a count rows of the quiz stats. So again, quiz stats being the quiz scores for the logged in user. Correct answers then. It is a little bit of a sum going on here. If the count rows of quiz stats is 0, then it's going to be 0%. Else we work out the percentage based on the quiz stats. So taking the total score, the sum of the score, divided by the sum of the quiz stats, times it by 100, and we get our percentage at the minute, 67%. Okay, and then finally the days taken. Again, just to use something different, I'm using the date diff, and then I'm taking, again, if the quiz stats is equal to 0, I put in not applicable, else I work out the date diff. So I get my first date for the date taken, and I compare that with the now. I put it into days, and then I append the string space days to the end of it. And that's it. Very, very simple. Just to create a bit more content from a home screen, and just so I could play around with date diffs, again, sorting collections, pulling back the first value, and just some very, very basic sums and percentages. Okay, so that is how I'm making use of my quiz scores, my quiz stats on the home screen.